mpanyimfo enso ede be manana
but the former just was technical director and there's a man another assignment say on the same season he will be the head coach the man one now we have season review second season the coach where one then can be I will not comment on that even I'm not going to now you don't comment on that and as offense this is assigning it to know and what man I say why the more season you so one must think of the coach no but I was not thinking of the coach and the coach Biakasa you know Biakasa second season I'm for ready for one more. And he says, Musa Fana 5. I shot list like a Fana 5. Mamma, number one, you know, shot list of me back one. But Kim Kotopodi, the new coach.
Eno chairman Alexander Menu and the San Semino Etuja or chairman and some 12 and a Masha most started from a year. Coach Samuel Boadu Muwie mo de maso kunadu abebata on sika kono mu nyina modu o malenke kodokwa adwuma ntimo de sisi amosemo nya mo final AF5 a mo lestia mo benya wana na mo de abrekodoko IMC no se o mo ankasa emfa ne adwuma nemum asante rekode omo approach coach bia until say season no bebe wie no coach Karim Zito ene ekoso ahweche na bibia enso akoi na Alex Menu area tuja say Sunday ewo baby ani ebeye fireworks ewo game nim
Sunday baby ani fireworks kana asante mai kwa kwa ede to de jana kemo le football ti kwa kwa ni meta ko sia asante mai kwa kwa ko de 3 points all 3 points they ko all 3 points
chama se mo ko 3 points in your baby ani
the word is all ALM all 3 points
is the 3 points that baby amoji
baby ka be Virginia people that can be a junior nyamoya baby so answer ya ba one baby so be yakide so out of one smoke.
Eno Alexander Menu eno no say Sunday ewo baby ani no ebeye fireworks e san say baby ani Gold Stars per league na je Asante Console project na o say omo be kwa kwehye baby ani Gold Stars na omo hye omo wi a omo de omo hwe baby a na mom no Goliath no eho ne ebehunu.
But Sunday.
Koroko she Gold Stars so baby ani.
Then you found me so. Then you found me so. Yeah, we are. The ball 4 matches like 3 matches like in here. But here chance one DH. Then has to be on the DH. I was it was the Goliath. How I say
Eno chairman Alexander Menu Asante Mantemi Asante Roko supporters nyina ono ene doma no eno de sansem ne tuja se ye wia ena Sunday no ne behu de oye Goliath enso honoma ode sansem no enso etuja na momma me coast football no na ye hwe endra luncheon no de wia eno nso esi efa course so ewo Ghana Football Association omo secretariat na ye hwe kwan ya coast football luncheon no enso e course nti Mr. KTS Okeku president Edema Ghana Football Association and afenso second vice Edema CAF and I chese ojina hono and afenso KG Foundation omonso e boss ejina hono na endra luncheon no enso ekoso under 17 coast football regional games no science so ebe shase we 5th edition na Mr. KTS Okeku edinsem tuja.
The KTF Foundation has stood tall in support of youth football in Ghana. Through your unwavering sponsorship, you have not only fueled this prestigious tournament, but also brought countless young dreams to life. Your investment is not just financial, it is a bold statement of belief in Ghana's future. The KTF Foundation has become the bedrock upon which the GFA has become or has been able to re-engineer coast football and elevate the standards of talent identification across our country.
Eno president Edema the Ghana Football Association Mr. Kurt ES Okreku and Edison Semino and so Etuja Ebra Endra Omolanche Eyade say Coast Football U17 regional games are Airbus no KGL Omo Foundation and sponsor BBA and Edison Semino and so Etuja na Endra Eyade say National S Foot Goalkeepers Union Omonso etimi abo abrantia ye friend Benjamin Asari and so abasu ye papa abra abrantia no wenya impressive season and so na Eric Amponsa or ye Sudan goalkeepers coach and some say ena odinkai edituja
or the training and also the better matches. No.
Me pacha mama me Sudan goalkeepers coach.
Goalkeepers, goalkeeper of the month. I will GP of him. Every month, goalkeeper of the born home modern or GP of him. Yabon abaso, emano gloves, emano water bottle, emano towel. And see, yeah, side way for the past 2 years. 2 seasons, and this season, this is our third season. Yes, na ye ball FA amanyeno FA opportunity for omoje FA also adepane pese ntino omoje no ifiti hono omama ya penya goalkeeper of the month no ye every month nti ye hu say asare abon home modern from Olympics time or Olympics and anytime to join a house of folk. Ama the Monday morning no when I could not call the senior national team. And yes, you say a idea you debated in crime. Ama the Jumana or and also iron home. What my boy, my palma has in the Ghana,
Eno ade say Eric Amponsa Sudan national team no omu goalkeepers coach ena echechirem National S Goalkeepers Union no omu jumedia omu nso edi ewo Ghana football mo na owie no ena ochire enioma omu de ma Benjamin Asari.
And also the better matches. No was about so maybe I want to tell maybe any discount so at 3.
Eno and so enyoma National S Goalkeepers Union omonso edema goalkeeper Benjamin Asari or goalkeeper Edema House of Folk and offensive Black Stars of Ghana na Benjamin Asari and so eji sanomai odensem kakra etuja.
Yasi, Omba, I don't want me abandoning me. I said, I'm mom, I say, I want me a dream home, and now want me a this that platform. And as so far as me, I said, that's my board chairman, any board members, a class of any Ghana mine, Obia, Chroma, the way somebody in Pie Bonnie, Casapa, time each in Mammy Quash, and the Dominancy. Okay, the Kakranso mechanic say, with the board chairman, I keepers department. Overall boards with an asipa say ultimately that opportunity and that gift to me because any keep a biana or system I be a nyamia na do my ultimate this we I can and we platform we
Eno House of Folk goalkeeper Benjamin Asari and it is Ansemino and so Etuja Ebra Endra they say National S Goalkeepers Union so a friend say Abrantie where Juma Swa Obono and Penifua Yensu Yada go ni bi pen ya Juma area moment Yensu Huntino ye jina we so na yabo abaswa Endra omomani gloves omomani water bottle na fence omomani tower goalkeepers no edida bo no omsan so di sika epi Abrantie ne so kama ono nso eje abasobodi ana oda empanyimfo enso ase na momma me coach Otu Ado yes Endra ono nso edime ni chiremu ewo Spain montene so a okoshia Abrantia ye friend Abdul Mumin ono defender edima Royal Vallecano ewo Spanish Premier League anim Abrantia we epira kakra sabre be se busumi nsia de o tena fie enso eno na coach Black Stars head coach enso ekohia na okosra no head ekwaya abrante no or recover from the injury no unim se enche acha next week Coach Otuado ebe na so ne squad or de kobo eyade se 4 nation tournament and also ebetimi akoso ewo London no eno na coach ekwa aprobo na wa head the the players no and so esifa hote a ofa so ekochia abrantia ye friend Abdul Mumin ono eye defender edema Black Stars and afenso Royal Volcano sabre de wepira ono so ewo ayarehwemu eno and so ensemeba na Alaji Gruza ono ena Kim Faisa Boboko no and so ne dia wakasa area fa national under 20 side omukopiemu Cup of Nations enyoma anku
na we be catch say on the 20 born on boy omu qualifier obejedi wo ma qualify yes we any ya wo ni wa ni ya wo ni
eno Alaji Gruza ene di tuja se bona no moboro bibia ni wa na eche se omo be qualify enti bono uye ni ya emfaso wo so wanye ni yensu de sese ya na be ye obekọ no akogu anim ase no asan so aba na Alaji Gruza de achem ade atuja se de se Legon City sa omo ko relegation no de ya person se ono omo wanyonkofa bia na chese ekọ kan pa
nya butre se Legon Kobe no money on pay no that friends o mo respect me o friend me papa me di hu ya
eno Alaji Gruza chema omo relegation omo kono odi hu ya pa na ochemo party Kim Faisa omo nyaska omo sign be return back to the Ghana Premier League. Yebe na fenso no Alaji Gruza enso voice ebra no de tu just say Kim Faisa omo be na fenso omo nya sika na fenso omo qualify back to the Ghana Premier League you know na fenso ye de sansem no enso etimi atoja coach Kwaku Danso head coach edema Bechem United or they atoja say Bechem United no mo target and say e be wie season no na top 4 teams you know omo nso eka ho
yeah your target set my ho say e be really na first for your account.
Eno coach Kwaku Danso ene de sansam na etodwa no chemu padia de ama Bechem United omo season we no omo ntimi am fight for the league title no mediama ene brekum Chelsea game omo lusu ye no
yeah em say o sha Bechem United you lusu home before so ni no you lose to be any Gold Stars and you lose to Brekum Chelsea. It is a sad defeat in a buy, you know. At the end, it's not changing about you. Ama and no matter about Yabamu. I can't match it, therefore, I weigh a limit. The bumper is a bit for matches in Adenia, but a respectable position.
Eno head coach Edema Bechem United ene de sansam no etuja sabrede emba aye ready ntino ye corner fenso enkofon cross nsem no ye de abron e moment na me to anim say Ket Okreku I resign from Wafu president no and asabre no de say Nigeria Football Association president Ibrahim Musa ono ena isia empanyimfo appointing say omeye aye Wafu zombie president no enso ewo honum after Ket Okreku resignation and so on. Tino Emba ade achibiem.
Sompa.
Ai.
Se BBI boko de.
BBI boko.
Ye de yankopon se.
Nsuo ne to se de anache se BBI okay pa.
Nti yenkomra.
Yenkomra.
Yenko nkrofun kroso no pe na yeni nkomo kakra. Me pa to obejon ye Sompa aye television so na ye de enkomo enete e ho na de tenesa yes ase emfamfiri Manchester United team no nyankopon yadoma enete enumre game no e ba so we aye UEFA Europa League final game so between Manchester United and of course team your friends at Tottenham Hotspur and also better still Spurs against Manchester a chance Spurs bobo kono and so and ebo homo ho na memfanto anim say and they impenefo say German officials wo mo and enkonkoswe game ni so Owura ne tin Felix Via from Germany ono bewo center and wetin owura ne tin ade Robert Kempta ono so be born with line 1 na Mr Christian Diaz and so abon with line 2 now ahead of the game no enra owura your friend say Ruben Amorim press conference koso or in some people and also winning the European title is really important but nothing is going to change our season.
I think it's not the case, but it's going to help us to finish the season. People will look at our team in a different way because winning a European title is really important. But again, nothing is going to change our season. Players know, everybody knows, the staff knows, the fans knows. But winning a European title can help us to have that feeling that can help us to build the future.
And no, United boss Ruben Amorim and some of the two channel and you can win the European title. I say Europa League but nothing is going to change their season. And we are coaching some of the two channel being on off yanto so now me part of me Grace mamming the venue a game no ekoso and the day and of course trophy no just and pay for ade ekweso na nika and ra tade na answer to me koso and we dey to channel no na what you move yanko anim tentem Mami Space and not when we training na rekoso how players a puma shot na nya samketwa yente son himi obobo no na atwatem graw yente kakra and no for the benefit of one who share Facebook again Wama amuche radio no enu ya Spurs bobo kwana training final trainer ye enra ana ugusa wo hwe na uchebi na wo Sompa ayo television so afi game ebe koso big game say no ebe koso be mu players do to na no a just some different hairstyle and so the way ayo boy your friend Alejandro Garnacho ono so dia waye ni tin ho no obe hu sa Rafinha nso akoye ne ten players do to na aguso a wo mo so agent to ya se de be ya bibia nso no ebetumi akoso kama etumi edam mo me patro Grace Kipo na mami Harry Maguire then some of the two dra enra on Ruben Amorim and a call press conference or the December wa kan sama kesa kese yentino
enough in the Premier League. It's not been good enough, we know that. The Europa League has been different, we've performed at a high level and we have proven again this season that we can beat anybody. So no, I'm sure next season we will improve an awful amount, a full pre-season, and as players, we are looking forward to that, but we've got a big game tomorrow night, and that's first and foremost, and it's a special night, it's a special occasion, and we've prepared well the last few days, and it's one that we're looking forward to.
Inti eno enso Harry Maguire and some of the two channel no osise say omo United team na omo hu say on a good day ometuma hwe team bia ewa asasu we so na Europa League no eno take evidence from esan say Europa League no 14 matches obian se omo eno dey free boy no enso aso dey to dwa enetei ayegu so dey some agoto dey me tie for agodumete we so Grace me patro yewie UEFA Europa League no ansa na yakwa other stories epa owura ne tedi Ruben Amorim mame eno Amorim on Andrew Postecoglou press conference na sin and some for ebusa ne say as a pressure awo so nem wo hwe the opponent ayo coach your friends Andrew Postecoglou na on the as a pressure be ni so obien and some training busa sasa ne pe and Bruno Fernandes efa home ebeyi ano yentie sa video no yenti no
in here answering questions about whether he might still be in his job, whatever the result tomorrow. Are you sort of surprised, grateful that you don't seem to be under the same kind of pressure, despite the fact that your team has a similar record to Spurs?
Who told you he's not? He is.
He wants my job. He'll be a very, very good coach. But he has to work on it in his mindset. He doesn't know how to deal with people. No. I don't know. I know that
Enti eno Ruben Amorim eno no obehu sa na akoye endikasem kakra enso ho eno yensem de bi etocha no enti wo mubusa ne se wo pressure wo so Spurs wo ase hojo utumu sɛ Ange Postecoglou sɛ Premier League no enwoma enkwa ye mfama no onso ankwa ye ama sɛ mumienu ana ko final of the Europa League ba no as a pressure bi ani ne so na your friend say Bruno Fernandes say one na catch openi no pressure won so no enye asem ketokra enu achi no mama owura friend say Jordan Simon odidwuma adema Talk Sports dwuma ko no UK na owura friend say Jordan Simon ana also wote say Ruben Amorim or the resignation letter at the Aquacoma Manchester United from Penny Fono, say a German or Pesocha any ate, and also Sabi at the way a Yensemunu and El Cosono, Oko Manchester United Bobo Kunuma, and they no more cost behind the scenes, no, Master Airtime, and no more cost and Yanika, United from Penny Fonshare, no more Pamon and Nimuya.
Of stuff. It's a dreadful season for Man United, but they made a change in the middle of it, and this guy seems to be happy to make it worse. And all of us are going to subscribe to the view, well, he's doing it, so take one step back, 2 steps forward. You hear rumours about this guy, you hear rumour about this guy at Man United putting his resignation in, you hear a variety of stuff that's going on behind the scenes at Man United.
Do you believe it? Do you think he has put his resignation in?
Well, if he has, they should let him go. Because the last thing you want to do, if it were true, and I don't know how true it is, because one thing this industry has are two big commodities, gossip and money, and if the gossip is anything truthful, if there is truth in that, then Christ on a bike, you don't want someone resigning.
With everything that's happened, if he'd offered it to you, would you have taken it?
I'm not sure that I would have been happy not to have taken it, because the last thing you want to do in my professional experience in any walk of life is
so also resign and no again somebody be so to train no penny go so yet and some out ade pan be so to make so me part of Grace mami Barcelona players no wamra normal rival for a champions dinner when himself Barca team no anwa and no kokwe dinner kama players no and wo girlfriends no wife. Of course, technical team no and board in penifoni na koi echo dinano and anajo anachese enika na interestingly when him say already teddy Juice Kunde Basa from Penifansa went to mama be a simple ningi na say okodia for second festival enti akurano enti ankomo ho and watching Ferran Torres ye nim say why surgery already enti ono say one player ono so ntuma nkobi Lamine Yamal and so no ultra outfit our Madrid Chrome ho enti akurano Tumanko and Ayadagusa was Sompa television so and Tubansa Abaya beat to Mariana. Luzichenko, I just said, no, I was a Sasni, wife and Nisasa Motum, now Mopa, Obenya Femi Lopez, and the Abaya friends better Galordo, said the girlfriend, no, almost Epa, Obenya Anna, Lewandowska, and in Nukunu, I am Robert Lewandowski, no more Trabesacoma Mopa, Natalia Beloli, and the Oranitani Rafinha, now almost partner Kaku and the Canu, Yadiako Senra, and of season party, and now said dinner, no, and so to make us Ola, Unway, and so the call, and I had Janoso to Janano pay you so, yet and summon a good one day pa, never be answered to my kama. After Minko Premier League no more, when him say and not 2 games in so, our Premier League no, Manchester City share 3, Emma Bonmo Bobo Connect Mupako, or run the Teddy Omal Momus, or no share first goal, Bernardo Silva, also share goal, Nico Gonzalez, I said third goal no. Edema City, Wamra catch and the Daniel, Joe Benson, Etimu Bakodima Bournemouth, William Sir game 2 players at the red card, Mateo Kovacic, and then Luis James Cook, Wamo at the red card, our game this more, another game a question on Crystal Palace 4, Wolverhampton Wanderers 2, and also Ghana near Bronton at Edin Ketebo 2 goals, Benchi was a goal, Nigeria near first at Berechi Eze, and also a goal, Wamra Emmanuel. Yeah, Badu, and I feel Jorgensen, and I said Jorgensen Lawson. One more answer to Mumino, at the mouth of Famty Bobo Kurano, Yadia Cosrenra, and yet on some out of Adepa, let me be answered to my account. Now, Grace, Mammy say the race for the final. I am an answer to no for a not to some party in so, yet announced 9:30 bedroom, come on, say the Akany. She points no, Tim's no, baby, Amoteta. 1 more points Amukuta Musa say and last run of matches on Bono as you say Chelsea Ebetima qualify Kobo a Champions League and now say Obegram into a top 4 with points no baby Obiawo with final run of matches now kana Nyame yatuma 9:30 Trasia Yebegram near to Uncomo na be bianso atum ayanika afi famiko bibawo na mami aye supporter no as a supporter and go for Busasa. I don't know about man. A son say, Manchester United, any team and the space, and then you muke mama paw. game no eba so ne day enra supporters etwa our outside the stadium where your son Sebastian Arsenino fella no so upon the top onu kwa no nem na obiase hu sa enu aya Diego se koso ne day ebeya nika exactly 7 p.m. na sa kensen enso tuma koso eno aya nsam ne bia no so totwa ne Diego so de nsam no at the eye tiefo otomete ne so na UEFA for no organizer de we at the supporters your first team captain bia Bruno Fernandes near the national hall na supporters no enemy kasa enso ewo ho na mami sa video no na ye nim komo gomra Manchester United supporters enso we aye Spurs any Manchester supporters and amodi bom enra enya sam ketwa kra obi says esoro and no video edison ye eno so nie Spurs supporters any Manchester supporters no and a chess amodi asum ano den game no ebeba so ne the sum na omo so ekon I was paid abundant so medical they are two anim say nay impedifo they are two powers anim say game no supporters am come prepare a sunset ticket no bo e wo soro yade enu echi no baby o better enso ebo no e wo soro enya sanketo akra United bobo koriye kom nsam would Mr. Manchester City we aye Kevin De Bruyne and so final season with the club now Man City supporters emotionally one mo be the farewell Adema Kelvin De Bruyne yenti and also the extra kakra. And no, Kevin De Bruyne, and no, the final season with Tima, your friends at Manchester City, and Augusta was share. I was Sompa television, so don't forget, game back one, and also calls between Crystal Palace and the Wolverhampton Wanderers, a hole, and so near Joel Ward, and also a born in last game. Adama Crystal Palace Bobo Kono, now also Bonania Nakakweni show, born 29th of October 1989, where it 35 years, Yamiya do a season way, and so a Beneria own Shakai, and from a Crystal Palace Bobo Kon 13 seasons near, and Wapo, and so Adama Club, and I had the so flew up and nano pay. You go say, I don't want some out to Ademia tier for. I go to maintain so back Kevin De Bruyne, you know, William so offer Chelsea, but don't do that kind. Say, or you're rejected player. I was Chelsea. City Bobo could own to be more on your day, but fast forward 18 trophies and now Kurane J with Manchester City scoring 108 goals at midfielder, providing 177 assists, and no aye Kevin De Bruyne don't also every nation so atotano no nyame yaduma 9:30 ye be san so partner dia ka cheni nyina no ye dia ba be somo yakramo.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Win, even if your bet misses.
21st Clinic yes sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bi a enye. Na no na 21st Clinic ba yadwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa. Womuji international awards ahodo, womuji local awards ahodo. Na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa. Bibrimano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nko. Womu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho. Eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a woma gidi womu pa no. Eya sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ni ade ni ade. Ghana ha baby a womu ho. Fre 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. That's a 21st clinic. Womu ye sciatica expert.
Auntie, mami fufu 20 Ghana. Me pe fufu ne nkwan kwa. Sisi asanya Ghana akone de ya bonu 010. Meme wanu ni.
Telecel de. Yenim so bia ne ne ope. Enu nti ne ya made for me bundles. Ya data ne call packages are F4. Nya ya ma won kwa. Made for me bundles. Send you we need ho. But star 530 hash. Na top made for me bundles. Sesia.
Telecel. Connecting energies.
Trouble in my soul, war with my mind, keeping it together like the grown man I am. I rise and fall, I fall and rise, flying with no feather, impossible, but me tell you what to wear. This my life, I didn't choose, I just put my all behind. Take me wherever you want to. My invisible black wings flying intercontinental. Victory, victory, that's my story. Cause I never surrender. As long as I can remember, I've been a hustler. Victory, victory, that's my story. Cause I never surrender. As long as I can remember, I've been a hustler. 22 summer in London, I was sunshade. Yeah, you're losing faith. I was bawling my eyes out in the hotel room. I was sunshade, but I never lost it. Did my hunting and some more of other things. I was crumbling inside, but I was stagnant. Cause this life is my life, and you'll be at a day. All I had was I and I. Carry my hustle for my back, find my devil choking neck. Give 'em tough time, I promise I didn't waste a second. So I came home finished.
Welcoming you back to the studios of Sompa 93.1. Ya to adwumade no so wo ha nyade atena se ye bobo enkomo enanopei na mema meba nyako akwaba. Abro no to say Bibi aboko. Aha, yentam say na me say me nya brema but for pa because the panados quickly. My enti on sempa wo ede mayen e wo nyadua ho. Yenko.
Medase etie for any adofo nyadua herbal center catching asabre me do wadri.
na nyadua about center for the yetenasia na ye wapom de ho nkomotwetwe e na ye de bro de biara da metufu se apom de eya ade a eho ehia enti ento wapom de ajeje mu dane da mo ni enko wapom de eho sade wo phone ehwe wo no ma wo yam ehwe wo sade so so wi anopa hu se wo didi yen sans no wapom de hu se